In this guide, I will show you how to get Intesa Sanpaolo bank statement. So friends, first, log in your account with your own information here with your email and password. If you have app, you can download app and you can log in with your app by enter your PIN codes. This is the first step. When you open app, guys, you will see this dashboard for your app. Just click on this icon of the search bar. As you can see here, this search bar, we have two options, guys. When you look right for the search bar, look for a statement you want to download, and then write, for example, this is my statement. For example, in this case, click this statement and then you will see as a form PDF. You can download this as a PDF. When you click this one, you will get your statement details here. So guys, this is your statement details. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video. First, you can download this on your app, and then when you open the app, look for the search, this one, and search for statement and then download as a PDF. Any question down below in the comments, friends. I will try answer your question as soon as possible, and keep watching.